The Together Spokane initiative is really ambitious, and it provides so many incredible new assets and improved assets for our community. So we're a nonprofit sports commission. We're charged with bringing major events into our market, and it's really about delivering economic impact. In a typical year, we'll host between 50 and 70 events that bring in tourism dollars. And the Together Spokane initiative is incredible because it provides more assets for us to do our best work. Two of the key events that we host in market right now are the USA Volleyball, Pacific Northwest Qualifier, and the Middle School Basketball Championships. The Together Spokane initiative adds more court space to that, so we can not only continue to host those tournaments, but we can expand them. So that means new tax base and new revenue flowing to our city. In addition, Spokane Sports has worked alongside our counterparts to attract our state high school championships to Spokane. We're in a position to retain those and add to that list of state high school championships that are held in our market. A great upside of that is that our own community, our own Spokane families get to stay in their own homes and keep those dollars locally rather than traveling across the state to compete in another tournament.